Hello everyone, I'm Mike Botha from Master Diamond Cutters. We are about to take a journey with a diamond in the restoration process. So we have this one that came in, and so we're going to weigh it and evaluate it and see what has to be done with it. So there it is, pretty broken diamond, and we're going to scan it and determine what we can recover from this and restore it back to a 000 or a triple excellent. So what we're doing here, we want to see what the extent of the damage is, so we're going to put it in a microscope and have a look and see what has to be done to it. Oh boy. Yeah, this diamond's got quite a break on it. Pretty decent clarity, probably about a VS2 with a break removed. Yeah, it's kind of chipped right on the 111 plane, on the octahedral plane on the crown. And this was caused by a girl that was pretty thin. And the diamond took a knock and did not survive it. And as a result, we have this damage on it. We're going to handle this diamond as a piece of rough because the normal program that we would use for polished would not suffice in this case because we have a convex surface. What we have here is a concave break in the diamond, so we cannot use the normal software to determine what has to be done to it. We're going to treat this diamond as rough and determine what has to be done with it. So without further ado, we'll remove it and get it onto the scanner.